It's sweet and chewy, and it looks like a wrinkled raisin that went to the gym. Yes, we're talking about dates. No, not the awkward dinner kind. The kind that grows on palm trees and is naturally full of nutrients. So if you're trying to increase energy, smooth out digestion, or sneak a few more nutrients into your snack stash, dates are the way to go. Especially after age 50. A date with destiny. Dates are one of the oldest cultivated fruits in human history. Archaeologists found date seeds in an ancient tomb in Egypt that were over 2,000 years old, and they actually planted one. And believe it or not, it grew and is now thriving and producing dates again. So when you pop a date into your mouth, you're literally having a bite of history. Why dates are natural multivitamins. Energy without the crash. Dates are like a natural health supplement with a sweet twist. They increase your energy without the crash of sugar. Dates contain natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose. These aren't the bad sugars we fear. These sugars are nature's quick energy hits. They give you a clean boost without sending you into a jittery tailspin, like coffee. Pair a few dates with a handful of nuts, and you have an instant energy bar. Fiber for your digestion. After 50, things can slow down in the bathroom department. Dates are a fantastic source of soluble fiber, which keeps your digestive system running smoothly. They can help prevent constipation and support a healthy gut microbiome. A couple of dates a day can work better than some of those chalky fiber powders and are way more enjoyable. Potassium power. Dates are rich in potassium, a mineral that supports heart health, muscle contractions, and helps flush out excess sodium. In fact, gram for gram, dates have more potassium than bananas. So, if you're watching your blood pressure or aiming to support your ticker, toss a couple of dates into your daily routine. Bone builders. We don't always associate fruit with bone health, but dates have numerous minerals like magnesium, manganese, and copper, all key players in keeping bones strong and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. That's a big win if you want to stay active and independent as the years go by. Dates literally have your back. Iron for strength and stamina. Dates also contain iron, which supports oxygen circulation throughout the body. Low iron levels can leave you feeling tired, weak, or foggy. A couple of dates a day isn't going to replace a supplement if you're seriously deficient, but they can help maintain healthy levels naturally. And they just make you feel more alive. The many ways to eat dates. The easiest way to eat dates is straight out of the bag. Pop a couple after a workout or with your afternoon tea. If you've got a sweet tooth, they'll hit the spot without making you feel like you betrayed your health goals. Dates are great little party snacks too. Just take out the pit and stuff them with almond butter or a chunk of dark chocolate. Sprinkle on some cinnamon if you're feeling fancy. Dates feel like a decadent treat, but they're totally healthy. And you can always blend dates with banana, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder. Boom! You have a creamy smoothie that tastes like dessert but fuels your body. When baking, swap processed sugar for dates in your recipes. Soak them in warm water, then blend into a paste. Your baked goods will taste richer and more moist. Chop them up and throw them into salads or add them to rice dishes, stews, vegetables, and meats. The natural sweetness balances savory spices beautifully and can transform your meal from blah to wow. Perfect for after 50. Let's face it, as we age, everything starts to require a little more maintenance. Energy levels fluctuate. Muscle strength needs support. Digestion throws temper tantrums. And bones have seen better days. Dates quietly work in this stage of life, helping to stabilize energy, boost nutrient intake, and sweeten your life without processed sugar. They're low glycemic too, which means they won't spike your blood sugar like a cupcake does. Quick tips for buying and storing dates. Choose either medjool or deglet noor. Medjool dates are larger, softer, and caramel-like. Deglet noor dates are firmer and slightly less sweet. Both are great. It depends on your texture preference. Buy whole, not chopped. Chopped dates often contain added sugar and preservatives to keep them from sticking. Whole dates are fresher and more nutritious. Store them correctly. Dates keep well at room temperature for weeks. For long-term storage, stick them in the fridge. They'll last for months. Check for pits. Even pitted dates can sometimes surprise you with a leftover pit fragment. Don't ruin your dental health. So the next time you're in the grocery store, do yourself a favor and grab a box of dates. Your heart, your gut, your bones, and your sweet tooth will be so grateful. And after all, if a 2,000-year-old date palm can thrive again, so can you. And be sure to watch this video next for more tips on better health and wellness. Thanks for watching.